Hey everyone, today we are diving into some super cute and affordable makeup from Swiss Beauty Craze. Those are exclusively available on Purplle. So let's get started. First up, the eyeshadow and blusher palette. This little gem is travel friendly and compact, with a handy mirror perfect for on the go touch ups. Plus, it's super affordable. I'm using shade 2 Rose Party, which has 4 eyeshadows and 1 blush. They all are highly pigmented, soft, and long lasting. I couldn't believe the quality for the price. This palette comes in 3 different shades to suit all skin tones. Because of this cute and compact size, it will easily fit in the purse. Even I used the lighter eyeshadow shade as a highlighter and it was awesome. These eyeshadows gives very smooth finish and really I never thought this will be this much pigmented. Overall, I just love the product. Next, let's master the winged eyeliner with the eyeliner stamp duo. This innovative product features a stamp for creating the perfect wing and a fine liner tip for the rest. It's waterproof, smudge proof, and long lasting with a highly pigmented gel formula. I love the gel formula, but the only downside is the thickness of the liner tip. A thinner tip would make application easier. It's a black color eyeliner, but it's not jet black. It's perfect for those who struggles a lot creating wing on eyelids. So, it's good for beginners. Now, time for some gorgeous lashes with the double-sided mascara. This one stole my heart. It has two sides, one for lengthening and other for curling. Can you see this? It defines each lash separately without clumping. You can see how amazing it looks. And I love this mascara. I am using it regularly since I received. Just one tiny detail about it. The smell is a bit wired kind of, but thankfully it fades quickly. So now back to the eyeshadow and blusher palette for the blush. This blush is super pigmented and blends very smoothly and gives a flawless finish. It's long lasting and budget friendly, making it a true value for money. And finally, my absolute favorite, the tinted lip balm. This is like a high gloss lipstick in a balm form. My shade is coral pink and it gives a sheer hydrating and lightweight coverage. It's perfect for anytime wear and keeps my lips moisturized. I absolutely love it. If you are looking for high quality, affordable makeup that's perfect for travel and everyday use, Swiss Beauty Craze on Purplle is definitely worth checking out. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Bye.